Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI. After you train a classification model, you can view a heat map to see what specific characteristics models consider when they're making predictions. A heat map shows color intensity to reflect the activation points, which are the specific locations in the heat map that indicate high interest or activity. The following colors show the degree to which each area contributed to the class being assigned, from most impactful to least impactful: yellow, orange, purple, and gray. We can see that the wheels of the bicycle influence the model's prediction the most. Heat maps also provide meaningful information that can help you identify regions where the model performs well and poorly, so you can confirm whether the model is learning the correct things. Let's take a look at an example. In this project, the model incorrectly predicted the screwdriver as a hammer. I can toggle a heat map to gain insight into why the model predicted a hammer. The heat map shows two activation points. If I look at the heat map of a hammer in my dataset, I can see that there are two activation points in similar areas. To help improve the model's accuracy, I can upload more images of precision screwdrivers. Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.